Hello. In this example, we will use Quick Pallet Maker to calculate a shipment of 10,000 rectangular items with a volume of half a gallon. Those are the only specifications we have been given, other than they will be shipped in master cartons, into pallets, and then into containers. So the first step is to find the dimensions of those items, of those products. So we have been told they're half a gallon, and we will be using millimeters and kilograms as our units. So half a gallon, when we do the conversion, 0.5 gallons, we convert to liters. Those are 1.8927 liters, okay? Now we want to convert them to cubic millimeters, and we just multiply by 10 to the 6, which is 1 million. Okay, now we have the total volume in millimeters is 1,892,705, 1,892,706 cubic millimeters. We have to take this number into account. Now, we will go and see which dimensions we can use. We can say, for example, that if we have an item that is 100 millimeters by 100, we will see that the total height will be 189, okay? 189.2, because that will be, if we divide by 100 millimeters, we divide by 100 again, we have 189 millimeters of height, okay? But anyhow, these 100 by 100 by 189 or 190 to get a round number won't necessarily be the most convenient for packing. So that's what we're going to use Quick Pallet Maker for. So we use Open Quick Pallet Maker. We use a new datasheet straight from primary package. We use our units in millimeters and kilograms, and we set the dimensions. We have 100 by 100 by 190, okay? And we want to keep that volume. We can pack them only in height, and we know that they weigh half a kilogram, which is 1.89 kilograms, which is the weight of a half a gallon, 8927. Okay. We also been told that the boxes, the master cartons, have 48 items or 48 products inside. So we enter 48. Okay. So with this in mind, we can calculate it. And we will see that we can get some pallets, but they're very, very, very inefficient. Okay. Let's see if change it again, change the data, and we make it a bit wider. Allow them to be a bit wider. They're a bit more narrow. Calculate again. We still get inefficient boxes. Okay. So we change the data now, and we want to see how these items can be changed. So we go to Tools, Advanced Input Options, and we can vary the primary package length or the width between a value of 80 by 120 to achieve a value as high as possible for total primary packages per pallet. And we do a lot of iterations, as many iterations as we can, and we keep the constant primary package volume. It says for rectangular package, QPM will adjust the remaining dimensions proportionally. Now we calculate, and we get better results. Okay. We see these pallets, we see a higher efficiency, 89%, 89%. Okay. In this case, they're limited by the weight. Right? These are pallets that had been with a maximum height of 2 meters. Okay, 2 meters is because we want to use them, place them directly into containers. Those containers have 2.3, 2.2 meters. So we can, this could even go up to 1. But let's put a maximum weight of 2 tons to get a round number there. And we do it again. Vary primary package width between 80 and 120 as high as possible for total primary packages per pallet. Okay, constant volume. And show them all. Do it again. All right, now we got 477. We have an 89% efficiency. We just look at the box and we see the items here, and we see that the width is 120 by 91 by 173 height, and we can just modify this and round it off and use the one that has the length 119 by 92. So we can say it's a 120 by 90 item here, 120 by 90, and then we just calculate the height based on the volumes. So we go back to the calculator and then we just do this. This is the times 100 again to get the volume in cubic millimeters, right? And here we divide it by 120, which will be the length. We divide it by 90, which will be the width. And we get a height of 175, right? 175.25. Let's leave it at 176, just to get a round number and include packaging and everything, just to make sure our volume is correct. So our new packages will be 120 length, 90 width, and 176 in height. Okay, that's what we have to enter in Quick Pallet Maker for the next step. In data sheets, drop from primary package, 100, and we go to millimeters, 120 by 90 by 176. All right, this is the first step. In the next video, we'll show you this next step.